Namaste. In today's video, we're going to understand Patanjali's Yoga Sutra 1.21. And in this particular sutra, we are understanding what the attitude of a practitioner should be in order to achieve the yoga sadhana and go along the path of yoga. So here's how the sutra goes. Tivra samvegana masannaha. And now let's understand each of the words. Tivra refers to acute. And then the next word, samvega, refers to urge or desire. So tivra samvega refers to an acute desire. Then we come to the next word, which is anamaha. And here we're talking about just the bringing together or the plural of these previous two words. And then we come to the last one, which is asannaha. And here we're talking about ease or easiness. And therefore, all these words together combine and they help us to understand that a yoga practitioner who has an acute desire to move forward on the path of yoga will find that the path becomes easier and easier with time. And this is true in anything, not just in our yoga sadhana. The more we practice something and we have an acute desire to progress in it, automatically things start falling into place and becoming easier and easier for us to actually do. And therefore, Muni Patanjali says this as sort of a sutra just to emphasize that the more you practice, the more consistent you are, the more your desire to progress is strong, the more you will find the path becoming easier and opening up for you as it progresses further. So this is a short and sweet sutra which has helped us to understand exactly how to move forward on this path. And the key words here are the acute desire that will help us to move forward and make the journey easier and our own practice more consistent. I hope you found this video helpful, and now we look forward to seeing you in the next video to understand the sutras even further. Namaste.